Some iOS 17 users have been experiencing an issue where the contact poster feature is not working or showing a gray screen on calls. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Apple recently introduced the contact poster feature in the latest iOS. It allows one to customize the appearance of the contact card that is displayed while calling someone. However, by looking at the reports, it appears that multiple iOS 17 users are unable to use the new feature. As per the claims, the poster does not appear during calls despite being set up correctly. People assert that even though the poster shows up as it should on their phones, it fails to display on other smartphones. Surprisingly, this also happens when they utilize the feature on devices upgraded to the latest iOS. They also claim that one needs to delete each other's contacts and then share the information to make the poster appear correctly. One of those impacted says that the poster they prepared using an iPhone 12 displays normally on an iPhone 14, although the one they created and shared with the iPhone 14 deletes itself when they click on the Done button. Fortunately, we have come across some workarounds that might help solve your problem. Firstly, it is recommended that you try deleting the old contact information from both phones and then share the new posters with each other. For more information on adding or editing a contact on your device, you can check out the iPhone user guide on how to add or edit a contact poster. If this doesn't work for you, then call each other to make the poster appear on your phones. Those who are unable to activate the feature can try these steps as suggested by this user. Having said that, we will keep tabs on this issue and update our article to reflect the latest developments. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.